I'm a layman. How to do carpentry at home step by step. Experts can just skip this video. This video is only for beginners. When I'm free, like DIYing various things for my family at home or give them to friends, I started by learning from the master with a bench, holding a saw in one hand and stepping on the wood with one foot. When all kinds of frustration, I could only blame myself for the tools. So I bought my first carpentry table. It's like cooking with a pot first. With the addition of a wood, it can not only better fix the workpiece for processing, but more importantly, it improves safety. But although this carpenter's table has storage advantages, but the stability of the whole table and the limitations of the table, it's hard to use it effectively during work. I even felt like a sissy for a while. As a beginner, I wonder if you are like me. I have to wait until new problems arise before new needs are born. Doing carpentry at home, my workspace is set up in an idle storage room. It's an independence which can isolate most of the dust and noise. After all, there are my wife and children. Keeping it clean is the basic requirement. So basically, after finishing a project, I will put away all the tools and the table and clean it up. Is there a carpentry table that can meet my convenient storage?
And a sufficient desktop space for carpentry?
Some guys have it.
But seeing the price, I can only say I don't deserve it. Until one day,
After seeing the carpentry table of the 18-0,
the pain of being hit by the demand
forced me to follow the big guy to assemble it step by step. Later, I made an aluminum profile sofa chair, a small stool, a stackable cabinet, and other DIY items.
After several months of use, I can tell you that this is the answer I want. Friends who are interested can listen to my details. A good carpentry table.
The necessary requirements must be stable,
Enough desktop space and easy to expand.
of course, for those like me without a fixed place.
I can only do carpentry at home. Storage function is essential.
First, the author calls this table byte MFT, is composed of spider legs, 3D printed parts, plus aluminum profiles and MDF desktop to achieve quick assembly and disassembly.
The process of disassembling or assembling is probably within 10 minutes. After this work is done,
The pleasure of quickly restoring the room is very friendly for small spaces. The second point is the sufficient desktop space.
the desktop part.
Is CNC milled, imported MDF density board with a total size of 120 by 63.
The modular design.
It can not only occupy less space when stored, but also allows for expansion anytime, anywhere,
Such as cutting larger boards.
such as edge trimming and drilling. Of course, safety should be the top priority in use. Various fixtures are needed to fix the bow.
To prevent accidents from happening. Third, the structure is stable. 6-legged spider legs.
Can withstand about 1 ton of load by itself,
I found in the process of use.
as long as each leg is naturally stretched out.
The lateral force is also good. At least when you apply lateral force, there is no abnormal sound. Fourth, it's easy to expand. My favorite working state
Is to hang some frequently used rulers and clamps.
on the side of the table. If you also have a 3D printer, I believe you will come up with more side-hanging solutions. In addition to hanging,
The convenience of installing and disassembling is due to the aluminum profile frame of the table.
instead of like me, before
I had to buy a multifunctional vise to achieve it.
here is a point to emphasize. The above mentioned, for a layman like me, a beginner, for beginners, how to achieve DIY at home, the necessary equipment, from the perspective of
Of course, the advantages of this Beto MFT
are more than what I mentioned above. As the big guy recently updated, how to use this woodworking table,
to achieve high precision cutting of various boards.
and angle cutting, etc. But its disadvantages are without additional expansion.
It cannot cut whole or large boards, but for me who do small handicrafts at home,
There is no need to cut large boards. My usual approach is,
I directly ask the merchant to CNC it and then continue with the subsequent processing.
example,
Next, I will transform the bay window in the room. The desk board was CNCED and delivered back.
friends can follow me.
I will share more with you later. This is the end of my sharing video. I hope my ideas can bring you some inspiration. If you have any questions about this carpentry table,
You can ask me. I will try my best to answer your questions. Thank you for listening to me for so long. See you next time.